Hey, what's going on YouTube? Biker Tony here, Biker Tony here. Wow, I can't believe, wow. I could barely pick this up with one hand. That's how heavy it is. So right now, I took off the cat, the cat mid pipe, and the two exhausts. And I think that's at least, together, I believe that's about 25 pounds. Honestly, I think that's 25 pounds. So we got the tail end of the bike looking pretty good. I know that is kind of burnt, but I'm gonna figure something to do out to kind of hide that. And then here we got that, but enough about that. We have a delivery right here. Oh man, I can't wait to unbox this thing, man. So we're gonna do an unboxing of what this look like is, you know, the exhaust. So without further ado, let's unbox this bad boy. First I gotta get my trusty razor, or I gotta get my knife. So we're gonna unbox this bad boy. It even got a little thank you on there. So, alright. Yeah, I did priority mail because I couldn't wait. I don't like waiting for things, so I did a priority mail, which was like 50 bucks more. So it didn't bother me. So trying to do this with one hand. Damn. We got a nice little invoice. Exhaust came up to $230 plus shipping, extra 50 bucks. Woo. Check that out. Nice and packaged. Woo! Look at that. I know you guys can see that from there, but let me see if I could well, I can't, so I'm gonna come back to you guys. All right, finally got it unboxed, and here it goes. Coffman Shorty exhaust. Wow. You can see this thing on YouTube. You can see it on eBay, but it does no justice. Made in America, United States. Real nice quality build. Got a baffle down inside there. Feels good. And it's gonna look good. So that's it, Coffman Shorty exhaust. Wow, can't wait to put this on there. Hey, what's going on YouTube? Another mod that I'm doing right now is getting rid of this OEM filter. Filter is pretty clean, but we gotta get rid of that. Put it in the junk right there. And then we got a do we got the name? K&Nfilter. So we're gonna put that bad boy in. We got a nice exhaust, Coffman down there. We got an air filter, and I got something coming up. I can't tell you guys, but you guys gonna see, okay? All right, tune in. Hey, what is going on YouTube? What is going on? All right, Biker Tony here. We came back from the spot, and I got a surprise for you guys. I know you guys can see it. The ECU is flashed, and there you go. Right there, Nick Performance. So, I got the ECU flash, Nick Performance done the tune, and we are headed home. It's a little bit too late to try to take the bike out for a ride, so I will take it out tomorrow. I'll start it up. I got this freaking Coffman exhaust, and it's hella loud, so I won't be able to start it up. So tomorrow it's on like Donkey Kong. Oh, it's a McDonald's here. I should get something to eat. I was some damn fries. Let me get a McDonald's and get some fries. My bad, YouTube. I can't say no to some fries. I just get a large fry. I didn't eat all day, so yeah. All right, YouTube, I'm out of here. All right. Peace out. Stay safe.